you guys, it's been like 2 days that I've been in really rare mood, like everything's funny or I'm like being funny. That's time to freaking film. Okay, so today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to put on falsies, and I'm going to tell you which ones I like the best and which ones I have problems with. And yeah, and how to cut them and where to cut them and where to place them at, just the whole nine. Okay, I am going to probably put this camera a little bit closer to me so you guys can see. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Paint Me Pretty Cynthia A, and if you're my loyal subscribers, hi guys, welcome back. So if you want to watch this video, then please stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's get this started. Let's talk about false lashes. What are my favorite lashes and what are not my so favorite lashes. At the moment, I'm loving the Ardell Wispy, guys. I am loving these so much. I like these because they're shorter in the front, the inner corner of your eye, and then they gradually get longer. And I also like them because the band is real thin. I know some people want a thicker band once in a while because a thicker band, probably the lash will last longer when you clean them. But if you're really careful with the thin band, you can clean them and you can have 2 to 3 uses. I actually wore the Wispies yesterday and I washed them last night. I did not put them in a little water container and leave them overnight because these will probably break because the band is thin, but I cleaned them and they look totally fine. So I wore these yesterday. I'm loving these. The other ones that I really like is the Ardell Fox Mink. I also like these because they're shorter in the front, in the inner corner of your eye, and then they're longer in the outside, and then kind of curve up as if you put mascara on. So they look like this. Maybe I should take them out of the container because of the glare. Oh, you can see them. There you go. They're very similar to the Wispy ones. The only thing, they do curl up a little bit more than the Wispies. I gotta tell you guys, I really enjoy the Ardell's lashes. Like, they're really good. A lot of people, like, they ask, you know, what lashes are you wearing, or what's your favorite lashes? And by far, so far, I really like the Ardell's. They're really inexpensive compared to, you know, other ones online. And Lily lashes are wonderful. I bought Lily lashes one time, but they're like $30 for one, or $19.99 for one, for between $19.99 and higher. Yeah, no, I can't afford that right now. You know, these, you know, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Is it 4 or 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? You can't count. So you get 4 of them in this kit, and I think I paid like, I don't know, I'll put it here. But it's cheaper than if you're gonna buy the Lily lashes or the Mademoiselle. I know some people are like, oh, you know, but they're better quality. But I'm okay with these. So I basically like them because they have a thinner band. They also have like thicker bands, but I really enjoy thinner bands opposed to the thicker band. That I'm gonna show you what thicker band I have. I don't like these either, but it's by Sonia Kashuk is this girl right here. Actually Sonia has really nice lashes, but these particular ones I do not like. I bought them, and then once I bought them, I'm like, why did I buy them? Because they look too thick and fake in person. But the band is freaking thick, and I'm not a fan of thick bands. They don't stay on the eye. It doesn't matter how much glue I put on, they eventually like kind of pop up. Oh, it's so annoying. So this is the thicker band. Excuse my nails. I know I look a little bit ratchet right now, but you know, I got my pedicure done, but I ain't getting my nails done. I'm trying to let my nails grow. So I hope this focuses. Maybe I have to put them together. Yeah, it's not gonna focus. So the top one is the Ardell and the bottom one is the Sonia. Can you guys tell? I hope so. It's just a thicker band. And they do last longer. Well, some of them, because I'm going to tell you one that didn't last for me, and I was very disappointed. But anyways, the thicker bands usually do last longer, and you can clean them, and they take, you know, a little longer. You can wear them more than 2-3 times. You can wear them maybe like 5 times, and then you can like toss them. You know, maybe there's some of them that you can actually wear like 10 times. These also taper in. The Sonia ones also taper in, so they're shorter in the inner corner and they're longer in the outer corner. That I'm not hating that. I just feel like the hair itself looked kind of fake, and I know that the thicker band may pop up. I'm not saying that it always pops up. I'm saying that a lot of my experiences, they do pop up. Not just her company or her brand. A lot of brands that have like thicker band, it always, well, not always, but most of the time they kind of pop up. And I'm telling you, I've used every freaking glue possible, from duo to every glue. I've used every glue. Okay guys, I do want to tell you about this company, Allure Luxie lashes. I got these lashes. I don't have them anymore. If you're following me on Instagram, you know what I'm talking about. I got these for free. Unfortunately, I can't show you because I already wore them and they broke. So I don't want to talk bad about the company, because just because one lash didn't work doesn't mean that the whole entire company is bad. But the first thing that went wrong, I put them on, I put the glue on, and within like 15-20 minutes it was already dry, but then my inner corners and my outer corners were popping out. Okay, so I was wondering if maybe it was the glue. So I did put on my stories on Instagram that I was going to give them another try, but I was going to clean them and then obviously use them again and put different glue to see if it was the glue. But when I cleaned them, they started breaking. And I'm not sure if I have the video for that, so if I do have the video, I'll put it up on my screen as well. But if I don't, because I put it on my stories and sometimes the stories, they disappear. So I apologize if I don't have the story with me or on here, but the people that are following me on Instagram, they know exactly what I'm talking about. And the freaking lashes, these particular ones, these are Mink Effect lashes, and I got them through Octoly and Feather Light Feel. It was so sad because I actually liked the way they look when I put them on before they started like lifting and before obviously they broke. So I was so bummed because I really wanted them to work. Well, I didn't think they weren't gonna work, so I'm hoping that it was just a one-time thing, because I hate to like say that I didn't like something, or I'm hoping that it's not the whole entire company, it's just these particular ones. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys which ones I'm talking about. So if you guys go out and buy them, I'm gonna probably buy another one just to give it another chance. Maybe it was just these and they were defective, I don't know, but I was very disappointed with these particular ones. Okay, so the first thing you do before you even put your lashes on, I personally put mascara on my lashes, my natural lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Voluminous Butterfly Intensa. It's brand new, I don't know how it works, but I'm gonna put it on and then let it dry, because you want to put the mascara on, guys. I hope you guys can see me. I think this is up to you. You can put the mascara after as well. Well, I do put mascara after, but I do it before as well. I know some people probably just put the lashes on and then put the mascara. I do this first. This is my preference. Up to you guys, I guess. Okay guys, so the second step is, once that mascara dries, you start removing them from the outer corner. The longer piece is the outer corner. So because to you this is the inner corner. In here it is the inner corner as well, but you want to start in the outer corner because it's longer. And then you slowly, because these can break easily because it is a thin band, so you slowly pull them off. And as you can see, it's shorter in this side, longer in this side. So what you do, they do have like a little sticky feel to them. And what you want to do is measure your eye with the lashes. So right in here, you want to measure. Actually, these fit me really well. Okay, so usually if they are longer, you know, like they extend too much out, what you do is you cut the outer corner, because you have still longer pieces in here. The inner corner only has a couple short ones, so you don't want to cut the inside of it. You want to cut the outer corner that's longer, and wherever you need to cut it at, that's where you do. But remember, you measured your eye. I don't have to cut them right now because these actually fit my eye. But if they didn't, all you have to do is like snip the corner. You'll know where to snip at because you measured your eye. Okay, once you cut them, you get your adhesive, whatever adhesive that you have. You pour it in your hand, or what's this? Your hand, your arm, this hand. Oh! This video is gonna be fun. Well, a little funny, not really funny. Okay, so back to this. So what you do, you pour it on here, your hand, not like the inside, but the outer, whatever, not the palm, whatever. So, and then you grab a brush or something that's skinny like this. I usually grab a brush, and then and the tip of the brush, the end, I tap the glue on the tip of the brush, and then I grab the lash and I paint it on the strip. I do put a little bit more for some reason on, well, not for some reason, I put a little bit more on the ends because I find that sometimes my ends do pop out. So I put a little bit more on the ends, not to say to neglect the middle, because you need to put glue on the middle, but like I made it a little bit lumpier at the ends. Then I let it get tacky. So usually it gets tacky like 3-4 minutes. So sit there and blow some, what? Sit there and just let it dry, okay? Okay guys, so here we go. I'm gonna get close. I hope you guys can see it. I'm gonna put them together. You see how they, oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna put my hand here. You see how it looks like that? That means tacky. Okay guys, so once it's tacky, all you have to do is, so you tilt them like this and then you put them on your eye. I'm going to show you guys where to put them at, like on the eye, but right now I don't want my glue to dry. So I'm just going to grab the end and place it where it belongs. I'll tell you in a second where it belongs, and then fix the inner corner of your eyes. Once it's on, guys, what you do is with your fingers or with the lash applicator, as long as you don't have glue on the lash applicator, you pinch your lashes and the falsies together. Okay, so like I was saying, where you place your lashes at, it's hard for me to explain when I was putting them on because I don't know, then I'll mess up. So this is, let's just say these are your lashes here, this is your skin, and it has a little fold. You're going to put, I hope this makes sense, you're going to put the lashes in this little fold. Okay, so these are your lashes and this is your skin, and you see how you have that little dent. Your eye has the same thing, obviously not so pronounced, and you're going to stick that band in that little dent. Okay, I'm not saying it's super easy, but it's easier if you let that glue get tacky. Once it dries all the way, and if you see some white spots or some glue spots, because sometimes they're gray but you can still see it, what you do is to get a liquid liner or any kind of paste liner, and you want to cover that up. Okay guys, so I'm going to cover them up with a liner, the NYX liner, and I'm going to go where the white is at and paint it in. Oops, I just got some on the top of the liner, but that's okay. I can fix that, especially if that happens. Do you see that? If you do a wing liner, that will cover up. If you don't do a wing liner, then let that dry, and then with a spoolie, remove it. Alright guys, so you don't want to neglect putting mascara on your lashes and the falsies. And like I said, this is your preference when it comes to if you want to do it before or before and after. I like doing it before and after. Okay, so once you do your lashes, do not neglect your tight line, guys. Your tight line is pretty white. Hold on. So you want to connect, you know, like you want everything to be dark. Does that make sense? You want everything to be dark. So get a liner and then put on your tight line. This tickles, okay? Alright guys, so that is it for my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you got something out of it, and I think my lashes came out pretty good. So just make sure that when you put the lashes on, you have the tackiness going on, and then put it on that little crease, you know, like right in between these two little creases right here. That's how your eye, you know, is. And yeah, that's it. If, you know, you mess up here and there, just practice. Like, continue practicing without any eyeshadow. Like, one day that you just want to practice, I know that is a waste of lashes, but hopefully you can reuse them. And that's about it, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please thumbs it up, please comment, and then please do not forget to subscribe and share my videos, and go and follow me on all my social medias, because I tell you guys my whole life. I love you guys so much. Bye.